Car Insurance Rates Guide to Understanding Your Options, Laws, and Discounts. There are many things you can do to bring down the price of your auto insurance policy. Invest in a safe, economic car, keep your driving record clean, install anti-theft devices, combine policies, take a defensive driving course, etc. If you do everything you can to keep a clean driving record, you can easily find cheap car insurance rates online. If you actually don't drive very much, or have to go very far to and from work, then it might be a good idea to seek a usage-based auto insurance policy. This type of policy is designed to create a premium based on how often the individual drives rather than who they are. The less you drive, the less likely you'll be to be involved in an incident. Always be smart with your insurance coverage. If your car is only worth a few $100s, or at least less than $4,000, you might not even need comprehensive and collision coverage in your policy. These coverage types are designed to protect the physical integrity of your car or truck, but if it isn't worth that much anyway, you might be wasting money on coverage you don't need. Cheap car insurance rates on the internet. Thanks to the internet, it's never been easier to find cheap car insurance rates. In fact, you can get multiple rates at once from many companies and compare them. Determine which one offers the exact kind of coverage you need at a price you should be able to afford. Also, check and see which company offers discounts you'll be eligible for. Each company should have a discount section of their site for you to check out. A multi-policy discount might be right for you if you already have home insurance. Does your home insurance offer a bundled package deal that also includes car insurance? Or if you're not happy with your homeowner's insurance, consider looking for a new policy from a different company when looking for auto insurance and combine them. Sometimes your actual credit score will play a role in whether or not you will be able to obtain cheap car insurance rates. If you've been struggling with your credit and have a low score, you might not be able to get as affordable insurance as you'd like. However, this practice is considered discriminatory in some states, so make sure you understand the laws in your area if you feel that you are being discriminated against due to credit. Why car insurance for new drivers might be expensive. Age and experience are two big factors in how much you pay for your car insurance. New drivers tend to be younger and lack much experience behind the wheel. To an insurer, this makes them a bigger risk, which is reflected in the price. With time comes experience, and for every year you don't make a car insurance claim, you add a year to your no claims bonus. This could see your price come down as your driving profile looks less risky. Another way to show your insurer that you're not a risky driver is to agree to have a telematics, black box, device installed. How to get cheaper car insurance? Unless you tell them otherwise, most insurers will automatically renew your policy. The cost of insurance goes up and down, so don't just accept the first price you're offered. Shop around for cheaper prices on your car insurance.